Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, today our topic is Silence the court is in session. आपने कभी नोटिस किया कि सोसाइटी में किसी भी वुमन को जज करने में सोसाइटी कभी देर नहीं करती। वो उसकी सिचुएशन को समझने की बिल्कुल भी कोशिश नहीं करती है। तो इस प्ले में हम देखेंगे कि एक जो सिंपल कोर्ट रूम ड्रामा है वो सोसाइटी के कैसे डबल स्टैंडर्ड, हिपोक्रेसी एंड वुमेन ऑपरेशन को एक्सपोज कैसे करता है। शुरुआत में ये स्टोरी एक सिंपल थिएटर रिहर्सल लगती है, लेकिन जैसे जैसे स्टोरी आगे बढ़ती है एक फ़नी मॉक ट्रायल स्लोली एक क्रूअल सोशल ट्रायल में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है। ये प्ले हमें दिखाता है कि कैसे लोग किसी इंसान को समझे बिना उसके कैरेक्टर, चॉइसेस एंड पर्सनल लाइफ पर जजमेंट पास कर देते हैं। थ्रू द कैरेक्टर ऑफ मिस लीला बैनरे, विजय तेंदुलकर ब्यूटिफुली पोर्ट्रेट द पेन, लोनलीनेस एंड स्ट्रगल फेस बाय ए वुमन इन ए पेट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी। और स्टोरी के एंड तक एक सवाल हम सबके सामने खड़ा हो जाता है, क्या बैनरे सच में गिल्टी थी या फिर गिल्टी वो सोसाइटी थी जो उसे समझे बिना उसके कैरेक्टर को जज करती रही। Before we begin the story, let's quickly meet the main characters. Miss Leela Benare is the protagonist of the play. She is an independent, confident, and lively school teacher who becomes the victim of society's judgment. Mr. Kasikar is the leader of the theatre group and acts as the judge during the mock trial. Mrs. Kasikar, his wife, is the conservative mindset of society. Sukhatme played the prosecutor and constantly questioned Benare character. Ponske and Karnik are members of the group who join the crowd in judging her. Samanth is an outsider who observe everything and represent the audience. And finally, Professor Damle, though he never appear on stage, is one of the most important character because he play a major role Benare lives. Now let's move to the story. A small village hall where an amateur theatre group arrived to perform a play. सब लोग अपने अपने लगेज और कॉस्ट्यूम के साथ हॉल में एंटर करते हैं। एटमॉस्फेयर बिल्कुल नॉर्मल है। लाफ्टर, कैजुअल कन्वर्सेशन एंड एक्साइटमेंट हर तरफ दिख रहा है। Among all these people, one person immediately stand out, Miss Leela Benare. Benare is not like the other women around her. She is confident, independent, outspoken and full of life. She believes in freedom and refuses to live according to the society's narrow expectation. At the point, nobody knows that within a few hours, this cheerful woman will become the victim of a cruel social. At the point, nobody knows that within a few hours, this cheerful woman will become the victim of a cruel social trial. Since the actual performance has not started yet, the group decide to entertain themselves. Someone suggests, why don't we conduct a mock court? Everyone agree. Kasigar become the judge, Sukhatme become the prosecutor, and मजाक में बेनारे को एक्यूज बना दिया जाता है. At first, everything seems harmless. Everyone loves and बेनारे भी बहुत खुश थी. But for her, it's just a game. But sometimes the most dangerous attack begin as joke. As the trial progresses, the atmosphere slowly changes. Questions stop being fictional. The court stop discussing imaginary crime. Instead, people start digging into Benare's personal life. What began as a rehearsal is now turning into an investigation. Benare realized that people are not acting, they are judging her, and suddenly she is no longer a participant in this game. She becomes its victim. The courtroom now became a weapon. Every question attacks Benare's dignity. Every statement challenges her character. Instead of discussing justice, people began discussing morality. Instead of examining fact, they begin examining a woman's private life. The mock court is no longer interested in truth, it is interested in humiliation. Then come to the moment that changes everything. A shocking secret is exposed. Benare is pregnant and she is unmarried. The entire atmosphere freezes. The people who were laughing with her a few minutes ago suddenly become her judges. Nobody asks how she feels. Nobody asks what she has suffered. Everyone only wants to decide whether she deserves punishment or not. And this is where society reveals its true face. Benare can no longer remain silent. For the first time, she speaks for herself and she speaks from her heart. She talks about loneliness, she talks about disappointment, she talks about the dream she once had. She explained that she never wanted to hurt anyone, she only wanted to love. She only wanted happiness, but society never tried to understand her, it only tried to judge her. Her speech is not just a defense, it's cry of every woman who has ever been misunderstood. मिस बनारे बहुत अच्छी तरीके से अपने को डिफेंड करके वो बोलती है कि वो लोनलीनेस फील करती है, इसीलिए वो अपने मैटरनल अंकल के साथ रिलेशन में आई, वो अपने मैटरनल अंकल के साथ रहना चाहती थी, पर जब उनके घर में ये बात पता चली तो वो ये सब नहीं कर पाई, तो वो बहुत अकेली हो गई. एंड द क्रूएल जजमेंट, जो कि लास्ट में जज ने, जो कि जज बना था मिस्टर कासीकर, वो जजमेंट सुनाता है कि वन माइट एक्सपेक्ट जस्टिस बट जस्टिस नेवर कम. Instead, the court delivered a harsh judgment. Benare is declared morally guilty. The court symbolically treats her as unfit to be a teacher. Even her unborn child is denied acceptance. उसके टीचरशिप को जजमेंट में खारिज किया गया और उसके साथ साथ उसके जो चाइल्ड जो कि अनबॉर्न था उसको भी मारने का उसके ऊपर इल्ज़ाम लगा गया. उसके साथ साथ उसको अपने ही सुसाइड केस में एक इल्ज़ाम लगाया गया कि वो एक अच्छी औरत नहीं है इस सोसाइटी के लिए. देन द कोर्ट क्लेम टू डिफेंड मोरालिटी, बट इन रियलिटी इट एक्सपोज सोसाइटी डबल स्टैंडर्ड. Silence, and then everything ends. The game is over, the court is over, the crowd leaves. But Benare remains alone, broken, humiliated, emotionally exhausted. The room falls silent, and the silence becomes louder than every word spoken in the play. Because the real question is not, was Benare guilty? The real question is, was society guilty or not? And that is why Vijay Tendulkar named this play Silence, the Court is in Session. Because sometimes the harshest court is not a court of law, it is society itself. If you found this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe.